Okay? Have you selected 5 of them? You select 5 of them. 5. 1. Okay. What number? Okay. Okay. 1. 1. Then 2. Okay. 3. We have 3 more. Okay. 4. Okay, the last one. The last one. The last one. One more. Okay, forward. Okay. Sorry. Okay, we have 5 ladies here. We have 5 princesses. Okay. Choose another 3 ladies. Okay, one more. Okay, we have 3 ladies upstage. Now we have princesses with their gowns. Okay. You will become the prince, prom prince. And who will become your princess? We will know it. Okay. 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 You'll be called the Royal Heart. Royal Heart. Royal Heart. Okay. Okay. How about all of them have their tiaras? Okay. Wow. Okay. Their gowns. How about their gowns? Okay. 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 Select one. They have long gowns. All have long gowns. They're feel it. Okay. Feel the one who will become your partner. Okay. Okay. You have selected now? Okay, thank you. Thank you. You have selected your partner now. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. This will be a surprise. Okay, kindly. You open. Can you open the blindfold? Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. Take. Okay. Okay. Kindly. Okay, picture taking. Picture taking. Okay. 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 Those 5 finalists, katong 5, the 5 finalists kindly come up stage again. You've selected 5 a while ago. Who are those 5 ladies? Who are those 5 ladies a while ago? These are the ladies whom you have selected a while ago. Okay. 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 These are the 5 ladies. Okay, let's come for... Okay, picture taking now. The last three ladies were Norlin, Jade, and Maria, and Rowena. Okay. Okay, center. Okay. Smile.
Hello.
Smile. Who's? Thank you, ladies. We kindly leave. Kindly. Okay, kindly. We will award you. You have an award. You have Okay, thank you. Please shake your hands, please. Thank you. Thank you. So, you can go. Okay. Let's give a round of applause to Adrian and Rowena. Okay, this time we're calling the chairman of the awards committee to please come up stage. We have awards for... Okay, the coronation. The coronation. We'll come to the coronation for the prom queen and prom queen. Okay, let's call on the awards committee chairman, Duchess Maribel Honor, with Princess Pauline Zia Ong.
Good evening. This is now the time for us to give the special awards and the major awards. We have 14 awards tonight, 3 of which are special awards and 11 are major awards. We will start with the special awards. The first is the Face of the Night. The nominees are Pearl Libitario, Angeli Manoop, Hannadale Galarpe. The Face of the Night award goes to Pearl Libitario. Requesting Ma'am Irish Aguilion to please give the award. Princess Pearl Libitario. A round of applause to Princess Pearl Libitario. Okay, Pearl. Princess Pearl, stay on that side. Okay. The next special award is the head turner of the night. The nominees are Richly Saplot, Carl Rojas, Sean Asoy, and the award goes to Richly Saplot. The award will be given by Sir Bong Solis. Duke, Nigel, Richly, Prince Richly Saplot. Okay. Prince Richly, please stay on that side beside Princess Pearl. The next special award is the Eye Catcher of the Night. The nominees are Princess Candy Kagatan, Princess Angeli Manook, Princess Norlin Siban. And the award goes to Princess Candy Kagatan. Requesting Ma'am Texon to please give the award. We will now go to the major awards. Our first major award is the Best Couple of the Night. The nominees are Norlin Siban and Sean Asoy, Gorby Bunalos and Patricia Dampal, Art Oapin, Ledgerly Vallares. And the Best Couple of the Night, we have Art Wapin and Ledgerly Vallares. The awards will be given by Sir Pomoy and Ma'am Megan Wokson. Requesting Ma'am Megan and Sir Pomoy. Hold your partner, Prince, Wapin, and Princess. And the best attire, male category, Shane King Asoy. Requesting Sir Blanza to give the award. I will also announce the nominees for the Best Attire Female category. We have the following. Feby Kaimi, Princess Feby Kaimi. Princess Claudine Cabanyero. Princess Hannadale Galarpi. And the Best Attire Female category, we have Princess Claudine Cabanyero. Requesting Ma'am Joy Blanza to give the award. Ma'am Blanza. Now we will go to Mr. and Miss Junior. The nominees for Mr. Junior are the following. Prince Shane King Asoy.
Hello.
Prince Patrick
Hello,
Salabsab.
Asa.
Prince Winston Katada. Prince Winston Katada. Our Mr. Junior for the night is Prince Patrick Salabsab. The nominees for the Miss Junior, Princess Lejerly Vallares, Princess Hannadale Galarpe, Princess Denise Kaime, and the Miss Junior award goes to Princess Hannadale Galarpe. Requesting Sir and Mama Kopyu to give the awards for the two of them. Mama Kopyu. The nominees for Mr. Senior. Prince Zufil Cagas. Prince Tom Hichanova. Prince Chavez. Prince John Chavez. And the award goes to Prince Tom Hichonova. For the Miss Senior nominees, we have the following. Princess Chantele Villapez, Princess Candy Kagatan, Princess Norlin Faye Siban. And the award goes to Princess Norlin Faye Siban. Requesting Sir Hondonero and Mama Apolinario to give the awards. Norlin, on the carpet. Forward. Mama Apolinario and Sir Hondonero. Sir Oriel Bahian. The last four major awards are the King and Queen and the Prince and Princess. Let's start with the Prince and Princess of the Night. These are actually the runner-ups of the King and the Queen Awards category. The nominees for are J.S. King. The nominees are Prince Shane King Asoy, Prince Zufil Cagas, Prince Patrick Salabsab, and the Prince of the Night. I will announce the King later. The Prince of the Night is Prince Shane King Asoy. The nominees for the Queen of the Night: Princess Feby Kagatan, Princess Candy Kagatan, Princess Feby Carme, Princess Claudine Caballero, and the Princess of the Night. This is the first runner-up. The Princess of the Night is Princess Candy Kagatan. The awards will be given by Nanay and Tatay Moscoso. Sir and Ma'am Moscoso, we're requesting Sir Biboy Ligario and Ma'am Catalan to give the awards. Sir Ligario and Ma'am Catalan. and our king and queen of the night. Prince Zufil Kagas and Princess Thebi Kaime. Shall we all rise as the awards for the king and queen will be given? Princess and princesses, let's all rise. Okay. The awards will be given by King Gisrael Mercader and Queen Marchi Mercader. Emperor daw. An empress. Feby, move forward. Okay. Okay. Let us give a round of applause to all our awardees tonight.
Okay, you can sit now. Okay, a big round of applause to the winners of the awards. Okay, just wait, just wait, because we'll have our picture taking. And here is the order of our pictorials for tonight. First, I'll call on the faculty members and staff. Can you please come to the stage? Okay. Okay, we have the faculty and staff headed by our principal, the Emperor of the Night, Emperor Gisrael Mercader. And student teachers, please prepare. Student teachers, you're next. Okay. Student teachers. And juniors, please prepare. Juniors. Okay, thank you, teachers. Juniors, kindly come now, upstage. Juniors with sponsors. The juniors with sponsors. Kindly move fast, please. You're running out of time. Ladies, stay at the front. Kindly move to the right, please, ladies. Kindly move to the right. To your left. To your left. Move to your left, please. Ma'am Texon, kindly stay at the center. Okay, the next okay, this time we are requesting the junior males to please go to the sides first. Go to the sides. Only the female will have their picture taken. Forward, forward, ladies. Okay. Thank you, ladies. This time, the junior male students. Junior males. And then, seniors, please prepare. Hey, seniors, please prepare. Okay, you may come on the stage now, seniors. All seniors. Okay, thank you, juniors, thank you. Okay. Seniors with their sponsors. Seniors, please. The seniors with the sponsors. Okay. Boys, kindly go to the sides first. We'll have the ladies. Thank you, ladies. Next will be the seniors, the male seniors. Okay, do we have the cast of the Beauty is a Beast and the director Alan J. Nieves and Ma'am L. Okay, the cast of The Beauty is a Beast.
Maybe you soon forget about all, or maybe you miss it like I do. One thing's for sure, I'm all knocked out. Spend too much time thinking of you, and I can't get you out of my dreams. Now I know that you're the dangerous kind, and your smile is tattooed on my mind, and I can't get you out of my dreams.
Okay, then. Okay. And then, okay, we have the cast and the crew members. The crew, stage crew. Jayan Ponce, where are you? Jayan? Jayan, where is Jayan?